Alright, we're gonna start by making the base. Let's grab another piece of paper again. Right? So we're gonna start by folding right in the middle. Right there. And then use that, open that up, use that as a reference to fold it again. Right there. Make those nice creases. Right, great. Now open it up again. And using this last crease, we're gonna fold these corners. Just like this. And do the same for the other side. Just like that. Right? Great. So now we're gonna fold the bigger corner just like this. Just place them nicely and then press it down when you're sure everything matches the way you want it. Right, great. So after that, just fold this one up. It's gonna look like this now. Just make sure we press it down nice. Okay, great. Right there. So after that, we're gonna basically fold this corner to touch the other side. All right, fold it like this. Just put it down on the table. All right, and then we're gonna fold it. Press it down, nice and neat, just like this. Okay, great. Now unfold that last one, and then we're gonna see there's some sort of intersection between here and here. So right there, I'm gonna fold this section just like this, and then press it down all the way to that intersection we just pointed out nicely. Okay, great. We're gonna fold it. You'll see that now the intersection, it stops at the intersection right there. Excellent. So let's fold that again just to keep it as it has before. Now we're gonna just push this down just like this, and naturally this section is going to come up. So basically that's what we want. We want that corner to come up, that little wall, and we're making basically our corner of the base. So just press down all the little pieces to have them in place nice and neatly. All right, once you are done pushing everything down, now we have one corner of the base. So just repeat the same process a few more times, and then to have 4 of these in total. So I did this already ahead of time for you. So as usual, we have all these 4 corners already done. They're exactly the same. So we have them. Okay, now we're gonna just put them together and form our base. So I'm gonna grab 2 at the same time. All right. Basically here the trick is to alternate. So we're gonna start with this pointy piece. We're gonna use the pocket that is inside of it right there, and basically inject this section inside of it, just like that, right? And then we're gonna alternate. So now instead of using that pocket on the other side, instead of using this one, we're gonna use the other piece, and we're gonna use that other pocket instead. And we're gonna inject this corner inside of that pocket, just like that. Just alternate it. Make sure these interior corners are pointing up all the time. All right, just inject it a little bit, and then use the last piece. Now alternate it again. So we're gonna use that pocket again. Just put it in there, and inject the corner into that other pocket. All right. Before we place them together, just make sure the interior one are all pointing up, so that it looks a lot nicer once we push them together. Right, great. Once you're sure, just start pushing them together lightly. It should be very, very smooth. It shouldn't be like fighting your back. It should be right there. I'm gonna lift this guy up. Okay, everybody is up now, all the little corners. Now, there you go. Oops, right there. Okay, there you have it. Just a simple box, the base of the box. All right. So at this point, we're going to stop here, and then we're going to try to build the other piece, which is the lid. Right, this is the base we're going to be using for now. Right, so basically we're going to grab another piece of paper. Now start building the lid. All right, for this one, fold the other side. We're going to fold right in the middle in this direction. Take your time, make sure all those corners are well covered. So, all right, and then we're gonna unfold it, and then do the same thing for the other side. Right, great. So now unfold it again. We have this X marked. Actually, we have to keep it that way. We're gonna just use that as a reference. So we're gonna grab these two together. Gonna fold it and use that little intersection, the little crease that we created before, to be able to just fold it right there. Hold it still and then press it down. There you go. All right, unfold that zero section, and we're gonna use this as a reference. So we're gonna fold this bigger section to match right there in that crease. All right, great. So now we have it there, unfold it again. So we have these two creases now. With this in mind, we're just gonna open all the way there. Okay, go back to the beginning. And now a lot of creases that we created. Basically, we're reference these two creases right in the middle. So we're going to fold these two corners right there. Just make sure it matches the crease that comes here with the line with the new crease you're going to create right there. And press it down. Same thing goes for the other side. Right? Fold it right there. Make sure this is aligned before you press it down. Right? Press it down. Right? Okay. Great. So now we're going to fold it back in the middle again. So now we have those two corners gone. Okay. So we're going to just have to fold it right in the middle, just like this. All right. Again, just place them together and press it down once you're sure. All right. Press everything down. Make sure everything's flat. All right. And now we're going to fold this corner all the way here, just like that. Okay. Let's put it on the table and then hold everything, and we're gonna just place them and press down. Create those nice creases right there. Okay, great. So we have something like this by now. We're gonna open right in the middle. Okay, and then just hold one piece. This is a little bit tricky, so we're gonna go a little slower. This section, the top section, we're gonna fold it on the opposite direction, just like this. Okay. So it's like an open mouth. There you go. And then use that corner, that little corner we just created, and place it on this side. And then naturally this part is going to come this direction. So we're going to use that and press right in the middle, right there. And then that's where we have a corner. Again, just press down everything else to just keep everything in place. Nice and neat. Okay, so we're going to have a shape like this. Top and the bottom corner, we're going to have something like this. All right, great. So we're going to use start with the top, with the bottom part right here. Okay. So this one, we're going to place it down on the table first, and then hold it right tight right there. So make sure that this center piece is all together. And then we press it down right there so that it doesn't change our shape once we start folding the next move. So once we do that, now everything will be in place and will be easier for us to fold this top corner. All right, we're gonna fold it like right there. So hold it tight and start pressing down right there. Okay, so we just fold right in the middle to touch that. Okay, after you do that, now you can flip it back to the other direction, just like this, and just press it down just to keep everything in place again. Okay, so we're gonna have something like this. All right, this is inside. Cool. Now we're gonna do a similar thing for the outside one. Okay, so for this one, okay, it's gonna be a little tricky because we don't want the shape to change, so we have to press down right in the middle, just hold it with your hand right there, and your other hand just start folding. Instead of inward, we're gonna do it outward, just like this. Okay, once you're sure, stretch it, right, and press it down. Okay, make sure this shape doesn't change again. Hold it again. It's changing a little bit for me. Okay, just start over. Okay, right there. And press it down once you're sure everything is great, just like that. Okay, great. So we have some sort of shape like this at the end. Again, this is one corner. So just repeat the same process, and we're gonna have in total 4 of this. We need 4 of this to complete our lead. So I did that for you ahead of time. We have 4 pieces again, and we're gonna just have to put them together. All right, so let's start with 2 as usual. So we're gonna have to fold this section just like this. I'm gonna use the pocket. I'm gonna fold, just inject it in there. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing for all the other corners. Just use that pocket and injected it. Okay, just like that. Same goes for the last one. Use that pocket, start injecting it. Okay. Might be easier to just start with 2 first and then 2 to the other side. Then I'm gonna inject the last one in there. Okay. Alright, just gonna push a little bit. And then as we push it in, we have to make sure all the corners are pointing up again. Okay. Just push it in, push it in. Push everything so that it's pointing up again. Okay, so everything is pointing up. It's a little tricky, but once you have everything in place, it should look very nicely. All right, just like this. Okay, let's drop a little bit over there. Okay, great. So the top and bottom should look something like this. Okay. All right. So once we have everything in place, or everything pointing up, actually we can start modifying the top so that it looks the way we want it to look like. Okay, there you go. So the inside is fine. Just to leave it like that. It looks nice enough. So now the outside. So the outside, this pattern we can use basically, instead of having everything pointing out, it's kind of strange. So we're gonna just hide the inside instead. Now everything should be underneath each other. And the last one, just injected it right there. Great. So there we have it. Just push everything in there. Place it down. Excellent. There you go. Now we finish the lid. So now we bring back our box again. There you go. The box that we worked with before. This will be its lid. Excellent. There you have it. Nice little box. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.